Hi everyone and welcome to the Simple Coloring Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color a playground. Let's start drawing. At first I draw two swings like this. Nice job. Draw the grass on the ground. Then I'll draw a house with triangle-shaped roof. And a hole for the door. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Then I'll draw a ladder like this. I will finish the drawing with a slate. Don't forget to draw the sun and some clouds here. Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
Whoa! Wow!
Awesome! Let's paint this drawing together. Dark blue. I am going to use the rainbow colors. Red.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm
Orange.
he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a
Yellow.
there,
If you like the video so far, please hit the like button. Light green.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Light blue.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had
Purple.
a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a
Pink.
Old
Brown.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a
Orange.
here and a there, here a there a everywhere.
Light blue.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Dark green. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Great job! Thanks for watching and see you on next video.